message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a this is a test message. Tornado warning for Hancock County, Monroe County, Fountain County, Morgan County, Decatur County, Johnson County, Martin County, Marion County, Lawrence County, Jackson County, Jennings County, Putnam County, Shelby County, Delaware County, Sullivan County, Bartholomew County, Hendricks County, Clay County, Madison County, Carroll County, Vigo County, Rush County, Randolph County, Tippecanoe County, Howard County, Knox County, Owen County, Park County, Boone County, Hamilton County, Tipton County, Vermilion County, Davies County, Clinton County, Brown County, Henry County, Warren County, Greene County, Montgomery County. This is a test message. Until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. This is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's severe weather preparedness week. If this were an actual warning, you would be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Boone, Brown, Carroll, Clay, Clinton, Davies, Decatur, Delaware, Fountain, Greene, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Howard, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Knox, Lawrence, Madison, Marion, Martin, Monroe, Montgomery, Morgan, Owen, Park,